Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be going over what locks you should use with a master lock looped end cable. Specifically, if you're going to be using the 20, like the 15-foot offering, or the 20-foot, whatever this is. Yeah, the 15-foot. It costs $5.98, so almost $26. So like 28 or 30 or something like that after tax. So if you were gonna lock up something like, say, I don't know, like patio furniture, for example, or deck furniture. If you were gonna strap it to a patio, I would do something like, let's say you're gonna lock up ladders. Like, I did that a lot in the back of my garage in my last house, which you'll never be able to see that, because, me and my buddy sleeping out in the garage, that was the only video, or one of the only videos that you'll probably ever see of that house. But if you're gonna lock up, say a fence, like, and you wanted to have like 6 guys on a job, the next best thing to do is get a chain. Once you put it through the chain link fence, then you attach. I did a video about a lock chain. You do that. But if you're gonna do a fence, that's what I recommend. But if you're gonna do a bicycle, I would recommend the looped end cable. But the thing about the looped end cable is just how thin it is, but it's still pretty thick. But the whole video was to decide what lock you should use for certain things. Like, if you're going to use this chain, I would recommend something like, say, this Master 1 or the Master Model 5. But if you were going to use this cable, what I would recommend is the Master Lock M176 or M1 or number 1 or number 5. Any of those. I mean, if you're just gonna lock it somewhere like right in, I don't know, something in your basement you still want locked, because I have like a fire escape ladder and all that. If I when I have all my stuff done, I'm gonna probably lock it up to something like, I'm gonna lock my bags and toolbox. But if you're looking for a lock to not get cut, then the Master M1 or the M176, like, they're on a job site and you have multiple guys, then the M176 and like the boss could have the override key and the changing combination key. And then if you were gonna lock a gate or something, then I would recommend either using this cable or a chain with this, or a chain, a lock chain, like a video I've shown in the past. But if you're just gonna lock up ladders or a bike, I recommend either, if you're gonna do a bike, either New York, like a kryptonite, evolution or something like that. But if you're gonna lock up ladders or something, I'd choose one of these. So there's my video on the looped end master lock cable. This is how I wrap it up.